Hello everyone and welcome to the IWA channel. Here you will find everything you need to learn English. Hi, my name is Noty from Fun and Dynamic English. Today we have a very special class. It'll be all about prefixes. For example, the prefix un is added to happy to form unhappy. I'm happy, now I'm unhappy. And also, if you'd like to subscribe to the IWA English YouTube channel, that would be great, and you could have a special discount if you download the IWA app and you are a subscriber, so make sure you do it. Do you know how many negative prefixes the English language has? Stay tuned until the very end of this video and I will let you know all about them. And I'm going to tell you a little trick how to express a negative adjective if you can't remember which the correct prefix is. It's going to be really useful. Let's start. Today we will only focus on these prefixes. It's really useful to learn them because it's a way to increase your vocabulary, turning a positive word that you know into a negative one. Look at this grid. In each column, we've got a different negative prefix, and below each of them, you will have the positive adjective that then we will turn into negative using the prefixes above. Is it clear? Let's start. Prefix un. Words that begin with un can begin with a consonant or a vowel. For example, look at the first adjective, believable. If someone makes an excuse why they are late for their class or for work, they have a believable excuse. A believable reason why they were late. Unbelievable! The prefix un makes a positive adjective become negative, like me. So, if something is unbelievable, you don't believe it. Exactly, little Noty. But if you think that something doesn't sound believable, I don't think I believe that, that doesn't sound right, then I think you are lying, then that is unbelievable. So another one is, if you're certain about something, you are very sure about it. You know it's true. But if you're not certain about that, you are uncertain. This means that you are not sure. Very good. Kind. When people behave nicely, they are kind to each other. And then the opposite is unkind. Again, for example, if someone does something not very nice, that was so unkind of you, Noty. Good. Lucky. If you're lucky, if you're a lucky person, if you go in for competitions or the lottery and you get the money, you win the prize, well, you are a lucky person. Good things happen to you. Or just life in general, you feel, I've been very lucky getting a good job, finding somewhere nice to live, I've got great friends, I'm a lucky person, I'm very lucky. But if it's the opposite, and a lot of things go wrong all the time, or you never win a prize or anything or a competition, then Noty, I have to tell you, you are unlucky. Okay, next word. Confirmed. Unconfirmed. Not confirmed or agreed or fixed. Interesting. Uninteresting. Helpful. Unhelpful. It means that it's not helpful. Like you, Noty. Okay, now let's move on to the next column. So, dis, the prefix dis. For example, to be in comfort. There is room for 4 people in my car to travel in comfort. I think there's no room for 4 people in this car. They'll travel in discomfort. Comfort, discomfort. Easy, Noty? Yeah, it's easy. What about this one? Agree. So if you agree with someone, you say, yes, I think so. I think so too. I agree. But if you don't agree with them, then you disagree. Okay, I'm sorry, but I have to disagree with you here. Okay. Appear. If someone appears, you see them. Oh, hello. A friend comes into the room. For example, they appear, okay? But then, if he goes away, you can say, oh, he's disappeared. Where has he gone? As I promised at the beginning of this video, I'm going to teach you how to express the negative version of an adjective if you can't remember the correct prefix. It's really easy. Normally, you use a prefix with an adjective to change the meaning. For example, happy and happy. But if you can't remember the correct prefix, you can always use the word not before the adjective. It would mean the same thing. For example, if you say, I am happy, I am not happy. It's fine. Or cool. Negative adjective is uncool. But if you don't remember that, you can say not plus adjective, not cool. There is no difference in meaning between uncool or not cool. However, you will sound more fluent and natural if you use the right word. For example, uncool. If you use prefixes, you will sound more like a native or more fluent, or you will sound nicer, I don't know. Next prefix, il. Words that take il as a prefix always begin with the letter l. For example, legal, meaning allowed by the law. Illegal, not allowed by the law. Is abortion legal in your country? For example, in my country, Argentina, abortion was illegal until last year. Logical. It means using reason. For example, it was a logical thing to do, meaning the decision was a reasonable one when all the facts were considered. It was really logical. It makes sense that you did that. Illogical. It means not reasonable or wise or practical. That's an illogical statement, Noty, because if one part is true, then the other must be false. Okay. Literate. It means able to read and write or having the knowledge of a particular subject. For example, you can be a computer literate. Are you a computer literate? Illiterate. Unable to read and write. A surprising percentage of population is illiterate. Good. Now, prefix. Words that use the prefix always begin with b, or p. For example, perfect. It means the best possible type without fault, without errors. It's perfect. You have a perfect English accent, mini Noty. Imperfect. Damaged or containing problems. Like you, Noty, you're damaged. Mortal. Unable to continue living forever. For example, we are all mortal. We will die eventually. Immortal. Not mortal. You cannot die, like gods are immortal. Possible. Able to be done or achieved. Is it possible to buy tickets for tomorrow's show? Is it possible? Can we do it? Possible. Impossible. Not possible. If an action or event is impossible, it means that it can't happen or be achieved. Okay, so I hope all this has helped you to expand your vocabulary and understand how negative prefixes work. Please do have a look at my other lessons. Yeah, we've got quizzes, songs, make sure you check them all. If you'd like to see more of me, you can also follow me on Fun and Dynamic English on Instagram. That would be great. Thanks a lot, and I hope you continue to improve your level of English every day. Bye!